Let's talk about websites you must know as a UX UI designer in 2022. Wow, so many. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gal Barzilai. I'm a product designer, and today we're going to talk about a few websites I think you should know as designers. By the way, don't worry, I'll leave all the links to those websites in the description down below. Now, we're going to divide it to three sections. The first one will be inspirational websites. The second section will be guidance websites like do or not do. And the last section will be resource websites for all type of designers. So let's dive into it. The first inspiration website I like to show you is Dribble. Dribble is like self-promotion and social networking platform for digital designers and creatives. It mainly serves as a design portfolio platform, jobs and recruiting site, and it's one of the largest platforms for designers to share their work online. You can check my portfolio account if you like. You can simply search for anything design related on your mind. For example, let's search for a fitness app and you can get inspired by hundreds of great designs. The second website on the list is Behance. Behance is a social media platform created by Adobe whose main focus is to showcase and discover creative work. Just like Dribble, you can find and search inspiration from other creative designers. But what I really like about Behance is that you can also filter the tools designers use in their work. For example, if you like to see work that is made with After Effects, you can select the tool you like and it will show you amazing design projects that are made with that specific tool. Now, the last inspirational website is Pinterest. And we all know Pinterest, right? What I really like about Pinterest is that you can find any type of inspiration, not just in the digital design field, but also in photography, fashion, print, and so much more. Okay, moving on to guide websites or design system websites. The first one on the list is Material Design by Google. Material Design is an adaptable system of guidelines, components, and tools that supports the best practices of user interface design, period. For example, let's say you're designing an Android app and you want to get the exact size, properties, and guides for a button. You can go to Components, Buttons, Specs, and you can see the size, spacing between elements, position, and so on and so on. This is so helpful. The next one on the list is Apple Developer Human Interface Guidelines. Just like Material Design, with Apple Human Interface Guidelines, you get in-depth information and UI resources for designing great apps that integrate seamlessly with Apple platforms. You can even download already built design system files for Sketch, Adobe XD, and Photoshop. Photoshop for UI design is not my cup of tea. Two more guide websites you should know are Design and Code Windows apps by Microsoft and IBM Design Language. Moving on to the last category, design resource websites, and the first one on the list, Unsplash. I don't know why I did that. With Unsplash, you get beautiful, high-quality images that you can download and use for any project you like for free. Also, Unsplash is a dedicated plugin for Figma, which I talked about in this video up here. So we covered photos. What about typography and icons? For that, we have Google Fonts. Google Fonts is a font-embedded service library website. This includes free and open source font families you can download and install on your computer. Oh, and you can also get free icons resources. The last one on the list is Adobe Color. I freaking love Adobe Color. With Adobe Color, you can create color palettes, browse for thousands of color combinations, and see the latest trends. For example, if you have a color you like, you can easily create color palette, see what other colors complement your main color, and so much more. I use it all the time. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which websites you like to use that I didn't cover in this video. Follow my work on Instagram, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Or your waiting for the little thing with the buy. Nah, I'm not gonna do it today. So I guess I'll just go. So bye. Now, the last inspirational website is Pinterest. And we all know Pinterest. Websites. Websites. System. For example, let's say you're designing an Android app and you want to get the exact with unsplash.